Texas A&M, Mays Business School, and Humana, just a wonderful combination. And students, you are really privileged to be part of this competition because it continues to grow in terms of the number of schools that are participating nationally, even internationally, and the number of student contestants that are part of this. So congratulations to getting to this stage.
When I look at this year, what was unique as we approached this overall contest, it was really about the innovation that we drove around utilizing synthetic data. And so synthetic data is an important kind of a revolution for us in healthcare, and that we are actually leveraging real patient records, but we can mine the data such that it's not able to be tied back to any individual. So it's truly representative of our population and the health challenges that they face. And that is an exciting development. Add to that our students who participated were able to prove that you can build AI algorithms on top of something that is AI generated is a really exciting development. And each of the teams really had a nice approach to how they went about solving. Some were similar, some were slightly different. But what was really exciting was to see the innovation these students brought with the solutions that they were recommending for specific scenarios. It was very exciting.
When we think about the growth in data, the flow of data, and the payment model, you really get a great opportunity to say, now, how do I proactively do that? And that's where data analytics is coming into play, is the ability to predict when someone is in need of care, then be able to understand what is the best intervention for that individual. And then, because all of us are different, how do you personalize it?
There was a lot of new knowledge which emerged from this case competition, as made clear by the presentations of these 5 teams. It was really remarkable.
My name is Jack Sampierre, and I'm currently a first-year MSBA student at UCLA Anderson. And this was a really great competition to be a part of. It was really incredible to be able to gather experience working with real-world data, and also being able to do so in a healthcare context where our analysis really means something, and we're using our models to actually help people and help Humana provide better treatment and services for their members was a really cool thing to be a part of. And we're really thankful to Humana and Texas A&M Mays Business School for putting on this competition and letting us participate in it.
I'm Blaksha and I have worked with United Health Group before as a data engineer. And working with Humana on this problem, which involved working on social determinants of health, I've always worked on projects that concentrated on the social aspects, but this was the first one wherein I had to use the data science and analytics skills to actually look at things from a very different perspective. So this social determinants of healthcare was the one which was very exciting for me and our whole team as a whole.
The work of the teams and the 5 finalists, let alone the top 50 and all the other teams that participated, it was a tremendous success in my opinion this year, given the challenges that were upon us in terms of the world and virtual, all these various things.
This was not a classroom make-believe sterile experience. This was hands-on experience where you brought this to fruition. So not only should you have learned from this, I think you should find it very fulfilling that without you, this 4th case competition would not have to come to the fruition which it did. So I will congratulate you on that as well. Thank you.